Good morning, everybody. My name is Figen. I am working in Concern Worldwide Turkey Earthquake Response Team. I am the BHA Program Coordinator. Today we are in one of the most affected areas. It calls Adıyaman. Here you can see the informal tent area. And in this location, one of the most required needs is the psychosocial support. And with the BHA support, today we have installed our PSS tent here. The work is still ongoing.